All right, let's do this. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Tech Out. My name's Joe. So at this point, you've already voted. Congrats. Awesome. Doing your part. Now, we just want to make sure your vote actually counts. Yep, he's checking too. You got to make sure. So, what you're going to want to do with the help of tech, you can do this in your browser if you want, but what I'm going to use is actually Google Assistant. I haven't tested Siri or Alexa, but I'm hoping that they do the same thing. So you're going to first want to trigger that assistant of choice and say, check my ballot status. For example, on the Google Assistant, it's going to show all this voters information, but we're going to want to click on check my ballot status. So then it'll take you to your state's voting page, which then you'll put in your first name, last name, and then finally your date of birth. You're going to want to obviously verify you're somehow not a robot. If you are, then sorry, SOL. After that, you're then, for non-robot people, I guess, you're then going to scroll down. You should have all your voters' information there, and there should be an option to see absentee ballot within that same page, and then it'll say valid or rejected. Now, obviously, if it says valid, you're good to go. Your vote counts. You can go on another day without having to worry about it. If it somehow says rejected, though, the two most common things that reject a ballot are going to be signatures do not match up with what the election officials have, and also whether it be on the ballot itself or the envelope that you sent it in. Also, missing the deadline. Just like school, we got to turn in our homework on time, so we have to turn in these ballots on time too. If those happen to be the reasons for rejection, then there's a couple things that you might be able to do. Obviously, if your state is nice enough, they will inform you that it's been rejected and give you an opportunity, if it's not too late, to resubmit a new one. If not, then your only option is to go in person to vote to make sure it counts. So, I hope that helps. Again, to wrap this all up, if you haven't done so already, please go check your ballot status, whether it be through an assistant or in Chrome or Edge, anything like that. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, hit that like button down below and also subscribe to always stay informed about tech and what it can do for you. So, without further ado, I'll see you later.